Hello friends, today we will learn ABCD. So let's listen a story. There was Atom, a little baby, fond of animals. A for atom, B for baby. His mother gave him a cup of juice to drink. C for cup, D for drink. Then they went in a zoo. Atom saw elephants, fishes, goats and horses. E for elephants, F for fishes, G for goats and H for horses. Then they enjoyed ice cream. Yum! The ice cream is tasty. I for ice cream. Then they went to a circus and saw a joker flying kite. Wow! A joker can fly a kite. J for joker, K for kite. Coming back home late at midnight near home, they saw owl and porcupine. L for late, M for midnight, N for near, O for owl, P for porcupine. Then they enter home. It was all quiet. Q for quiet. Now Atom went to the room to sleep. R for room, S for sleep. The bell rings, ting tong. He was Atom's uncle. He came for a vacation with Xylophone for Atom. T for ting tong, U for uncle, V for vacation, W for with, X for Xylophone. But Atom gets upset because his uncle didn't bought yak and zebra for his gift. Y for yak, Z for zebra. Moral: gift is gift. We should never demand for a gift. A for atom, B for baby, C for cup, D for drink, E for elephants, F for fishes, G for goats, H for horses, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for late, M for midnight, N for near, O for owl, P for porcupine, Q for quiet, R for room, S for sleep, T for ting tong, U for uncle, V for vacation, W for with, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra. So let's see how many letters are there in ABCD. There are 26 letters in ABCD. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Thank you.